Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel.
Been a minute since we kicked.
Today is Saturday. I don't remember what day it is. I think it's June 20th. And we're just getting stuff started for this vlog. Today, right now on the agenda, we're doing like a little small grocery shopping and cooking, doing all things today. So I just want to start this vlog off, bring y'all along. Kind of already got ready a little bit. Show y'all my outfit. It's just this white bodysuit from Fashion Nova, these cargo camo jeans from Fashion Nova, these Nautica, kind of like Uggs, but like the Nautica ones from Marshalls. We just finished getting ready right now, y'all. I think I'm gonna cook like chicken. You know, I didn't know what I wanted to eat because I was looking at a few different options, but I feel like I want chicken. So we like chicken, stuff like that. I'm gonna bring y'all along. That's crazy, guys. Like, just doing the finishing touches. And yes, it's edge control only because I ran out of my eyebrow gel. Don't judge, y'all. It's basically the same thing. Don't judge. A little bit of blush goes a long way. I want to get like a more pinkier blush. Like, you know, this is kind of like a rose blush, kind of. And this brush is from Ulta. It comes with like a pack, or you get it from Marshalls too, because they have those at Marshalls. Cute, beautiful, astonishing. This kind of is like a grown perfume by Victoria's Secret. It's called Bear. I'm just gonna add it on because I already have the Kayali pistachio on. Yeah, this really like give like, okay, I'm not playing around. I'm really grown. Yeah, this the vibe this perfume giving off. I got this from my mom years ago. I'm surprised it still smells good. Okay, let's put that up. Glasses? Yeah, we're feeling glasses. Give me a couple TikToks. And for the purse, this is the purse we're going with, my red purse, because it's gonna look so cute, guys. Look at this. This red purse. So cute, so cute, so cute. My mom got it for me some years ago. It's probably from the outlet, the Michael Kors outlet, if I had to guess. Oh, let me show you my nails. I did one side the other day. Like 2-3 days ago. Very cute. I've been loving the short nails because every time I do my nails, I cut them down this length. So I'm like, why not keep it that length, you know? But let's go. Put deodorant on, got my phone, got everything. I was going to change my thing to red. I low-key might because I've been using the other one a lot. So let's change it right quick. Okay. I know I can just change it like this. Need my key. I low-key don't need all of these keys. I could just have, I don't need the security key. That was from my old job. I don't need that, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. I have this pink one on, this pink and red one, but we're gonna put it up for right now. I'm gonna make a couple TikToks and I'll meet you in the car. So. Okay guys, we done made it inside the car. I refilled my Stanley with ice and water. You really needed that because I was running low. But I feel like y'all can see me. Okay, I feel like y'all can see me now. Go to Walmart. I need to get me a car tripod, y'all. What's gonna happen? So we could talk and drive. But even when I do get it, I don't know where I would want it at. But let's start getting our tunes jamming. What are we gonna play today? I don't know. I don't know. And let's do talking about some bootylicious. What the heck? Let's do Lucky Day. Diamonds Until. Put some hair on. Need a towel bag. Let's see how long it is to get to Walmart. Since we don't have a car tripod, I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Walmart and picking up our stuff, cause that's our next stop. Okay, guys, we made it into Walmart. It's starting to look like it's gonna storm. Like it started to drizzle while I was outside, so we're just gonna start with the meat and stuff at the bag, like the chicken and stuff. Today they like chicken, potatoes, green bean sausage, little something to drink, some strawberries, peanut butter. You know, just a little full meal. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear me. I need to give me a mic, but I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear me too well. I'm a bear. I like to stop like in the middle where I can go grab the stuff and put it in the basket. Like I don't like to take the basket everywhere. I think we'll do chicken thighs. I don't know. Okay, y'all, we right by the peanut butter, so we're just gonna grab some. Y'all, why is my peanut butter like locked up? I'm gonna have to get my man to open it, but for right now, we need peanut butter. This a personal size of peanut butter. It's like $1. Or should I get the big one? Because I usually get a lot. We're just gonna get the small one. Because I have a big one, it's just locked up, and I need to get it open. At least to put it in another container, at least. Yo, nah, this is the best sausage to get. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get the regular one, the mild. This is good too, but I don't want all my stuff to be spicy, so we're gonna get the mild. That's like 5.80 something. Y'all, when I tell y'all soaked, my umbrella started flipping in and out. Yo, it was cool until it wasn't cool. Still smell good, but my umbrella started flipping in and out. That was not cool. I was gonna get some chips, but I couldn't. I wanted to get out of there before it started raining bad, and I was trying to figure out how to get the big bag or the small bag. The huge bag of Fuegos was about 3 something. Small bag was like 2 something. I was trying to do it like him and take it like a champ and keep on walking. That's what I should have did. But let's go, y'all. If we decide to get some chips later on, we might go to the store. We'll probably go to like Family Dollar or something and give me some chips. Not worry about that. We got the essentials, got what we needed, so let's get out of here. Good morning, guys. It's a couple days later. Today we have one client at 11 o'clock. Right now we're going to get ready for the gym and do like a upper body day. But I'm going to my apartment gym so I can bring y'all along with me. So that's pretty great. And we're just about to get ready. It's just going to be a cute, calm, gray outfit. Shoes, I don't know yet, but we can pick those all together. But let's get ready. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair. Outfit is some simple. Nike half zip. I got a blue Gymshark sports bra. Gray tights come from Forever 21. It's from Nike. I'm gonna brush up my hair. And after this, we're gonna put some sausage on and do my face stuff and brush my teeth and everything.
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of places, they gon' pay for.
On my ears became your ears.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. Who used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of places they gon' pay for.
On my ears became your ears.
That sound like
You used to call me on my cell phone.
check it out.
Late night when you need me.
Go get some paper towel so it don't have all that grease on there. But we're gonna pick out my shoes right quick. Let me go get my sausage. We'll be bike. Okay, y'all. Let's pick out the shoes. Why the sausage is cool. We have a couple different options. I'm trying to see how I could set y'all up. Dang, that's gonna work. Let me show y'all this options. These, it's like a, cool shoe. I'm thinking about these because I like pink and gray. Low key, we're going pink and gray. Sorry to make you feel like y'all was picking. We just going pink and gray today. Maybe next time. Maybe I can pick next time. Ain't it comfy? Only thing I have to do is pee. Grab my water. Grab my headphones. Might do AirPods today, depending on what battery percentage they're on. So let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see y'all in the gym. Cause yeah.
away. I know I got 'em. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfume it for you. I know I'm nothing to it for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. Won't touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. Move it up, down, right on. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. That's that me espresso. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, you look so cute, wrapped around my finger. With twisted humor, making laugh so often. My honeybee, come and get this pollen. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and I perfume it for you. I know I'm nothing to it for you. That morning coffee brewed it for you. One touch and I brand new it for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. It's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. It's that me espresso. Think about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. It's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. It's that me espresso.
Okay, we're back from the gym. From the office, I got this V8 juice. It's called V8 Splash. There's a bunch of like fruit up in here. And I remember my dad used to give this to us. V8, so I'm gonna try it just to see how it is. Kind of tastes like Capri Sun, but healthier. I don't know how to explain it. It makes sense. It has vegetable juice in it, water, and concentrated juices of sweet potato, purple carrot, and carrots. Makes sense. I don't know if you're gonna want all this, but this is what she put. That looked like a pinky base, so we're gonna take a pink. New York pink out. By Dynamic Nail Supply, y'all. Very good. Don't mind this at the bottom. It's just because I be having monomer on my, you know.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it. You're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. What are you so afraid of? Give, but you cannot take love. than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Give, but you cannot take love. Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star, love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you?
Okay guys, I don't know if y'all can see me, but we're at Walmart now. It's kind of caliente out here. I did not know it was this hot, y'all. Did not know. But I'm kind of getting tired, but it's okay. Probably so. I thought it was like gloomy outside. I did not know it was sunny. Okay, small haul of what I got. Cause you know, we didn't have to grab too much this time. I got, people be hating on Always, but it's okay. Always the size 2. I was gonna get the off-brand, but they're not as soft as these. They have a different feeling, and I don't like them. So I just got these just to try it out, see if I want it this size again. Fuegos. Got mozzarella cheese. It's the finely shredded one. Then we got jalapeno. About 5 Roman tomatoes and 1 thing of cilantro and 5 limes. I have to put the cilantro in the fridge, but everything else doesn't have to go in the fridge. I'm gonna leave it in the bag. Hot chips. Whatever you got in produce, it doesn't need to go in the fridge. It actually needs to stay out the fridge so it'll last longer. I'm gonna see y'all in maybe like an hour. I say like an hour and a half maybe. And we're gonna be cooking the chicken, making the rice, making the pico. Not much honestly for the chicken chipotle bowl, but I'm gonna bring y'all along with me to make my bowl because I love it. Really haven't been to Chipotle since, but let me see, I'm sick. Y'all know how that goes. Okay, so the pan is heated up. I put a little oil in it. Now we're gonna get our chicken. Just dump it in there. The all-purpose that we did the other day. Seasoning. I usually use a different one, but this is the one that's in the cabinet, so.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, so that's sweet, I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean espresso? Move it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know. Does that mean espresso? I can't relate to desperation. Might give a fuck. Are on vacation, and I got this one boy about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, right on. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me espresso. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, you look so cute, wrapped around my finger, my twisted humor.
Yeah, yo, this is it with the pico on it. Chipotle or Chipotle? I'm about to give y'all a little review before I chow down. So, then the cheese melted. That's why I like a lot of cheese. Like, people don't be understanding. I don't even like getting chicken at Chipotle, but that... Okay, I'm gonna see you in a second after we chow down. Truth be told, maybe later. A little bit later, but right now I'm just about to chow down, watch some YouTube. I'm gonna be back.